This videotape demonstrates the effect of Polytron on the lifespan and performance of heavy-duty engines, race car engines, and light-duty engines. User reference.
This is a 1000 kVA Cummins generator from the Gillety Quarry. This generator was in service for more than 30,000 hours. According to the manufacturer's instructions, the generator has to be serviced every 250 hours. After we started using Polytron, based on used oil analysis, we decided to extend the service intervals to every 1000 hours, and then to every 1500 hours. As a result of penetration of water into its oil system, the generator was sent for repair to the RAS repair shop. The head mechanic inspected the engine and the engine parts, and the results of his findings are as follows. The cylinder liners look absolutely beautiful. They don't have any wear nor any ovality. You can even see the cross-honing pattern of the original bore. 0. Doesn't have any ovality and doesn't have any wear, looks just beautiful. Here are some examples of the cross-honing pattern of the original bore that was observed in all the liners and the liner's outstanding condition. The pistons. The rings are polished and there is no wear whatsoever. This is an engine that was in service over 30,000 hours. The piston's condition is really beautiful. These rod bearings look like they came out of an engine that was never in service. They do not have any wear, their condition is beautiful, and I can put them back into the engine as is. Here are some more images that demonstrate the outstanding condition of the connecting rod bearings that came out of this engine. I took out the piston pin. The bearing looks like new. It doesn't have any wear, as if it was never in service. Doesn't have any excessive clearances and is in beautiful condition. This pin and bearing also look like new, as if they were never in service. Again, no excessive clearances and beautiful condition. Usually, when I take out the piston pin, I find a lot of scratches and excessive clearances between the pin and the bearing. This one looks like as if it was never in service. It looks beautiful. The following images demonstrate the outstanding condition of the crankshaft main bearings. Now the crankshaft. I measured its ovality. It's round, beautiful, as if it was never in service. Beautiful, doesn't have any wear, shiny.